here we have 1/3 add 5/6. Now the numbers on the bottom are your denominators and they are different. You've got 3 here and 6 here, which means we can't add them together. So what we need to do is change them so that they both have the same number on the bottom. And we do this by multiplying them and changing it into an equivalent fraction. So what you need to do is look at your two denominators and see if you can multiply one of them by something else to change it so it's the same number as your other fraction. So if we look at 3, can we multiply that by anything to make 6? Yes, we can. We can multiply by 2. So we're going to multiply by 2 on the bottom of our fraction to change that into 6. And because we're multiplying the bottom of the fraction, we also have to multiply the top of the fraction. So we need to multiply the 1 by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So that changes into 2/6. And the other one already has a 6 on the bottom, so we just keep that one the same. 5/6. And now, since they are both in sixths, we just add the top numbers. So 2 add 5 is 7. And the bottom number stays the same. So 7/6. And you can see from the drawing, if you were to count them, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the same for subtraction. So here we've got 5/7 take away 2 21ths. Looking at the bottom numbers, they are different. So we need to see if we can multiply one of them to change it so that it becomes the same as the other fraction. So if we're looking at this, can we multiply 7 by anything to change it into 21? Yes, we can. We can multiply by 3. So we're going to do 3 times 7 on the bottom, and because we're multiplying the bottom, we have to multiply the top as well. So 3 times 5. So we're going to have 3 times 5 is 15, so 15 on the top. 3 times 7 is 21, so 21 on the bottom. It's a takeaway this time, and then the second fraction just stays the same because that's already got a 21 on the bottom. And once the numbers are the same on the bottom, you just need to do the calculation on the top. So 15 take away 2 is 13, and the number stays the same on the bottom of your fraction, so 13/21.